Hello everyone, so today we have x to the power of 6 equals to 5 to the power of 6. X is the unknown. So if we're going to solve together, let's take solution. Our equation can be written as x to the power of 6 minus 5 to the power of 6 equals to 0. But a to the power of n to the power of m also can be written as a to the power of n times m. So we're going to break the powers, that is x will be to the power of 3, also to the power of 2, minus 5 to the power of 3, also to the power of 2, equal to 0. So we have been able to transform our equation into a different form that is different of 2 squared. That is to say, a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is given as a plus b and a minus b. So we're going to apply this here. So the next line becomes x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 equal to 0. So here we have two cases. Case 1 is x to the power of 3 minus 5 to the power of 3 equals to 0. Or case 2 is x to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. But from case 1 is in the form of a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which is represented as a minus b times a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b squared. So the next line becomes x minus 5 into x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 5 to the power of 2, which is 25, equals to 0. So we can say either x minus 5 is equals to 0, or x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 25 is equals to 0. From here, x is equals to, let's say s1 is equals to 5. And this is a quadratic equation. We can say a is equals to 1, b is 5, and c, the constant, is 25. So for x2, 3 can be given as minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if we introduce our values, this will become minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 25 all over 2. So if we do this very well, we end up having minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 100 all over 2. And this equals to minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 75 again over 2. But this can be written as equals to minus 5 plus or minus 75 can be splitted into 25 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. And again, we can write as minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So here, it becomes minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5, and square root of minus 1 is I, times square root of 3 over 2, so that x2 will becomes minus 5 plus 5i square root of 3 over 2, and x3 will be equals to minus 5 minus 5i square root of 3 also over 2. From the first part, we have two complex solutions and one rich solution. So for case 2, x to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 equals to 0. X to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 equals to 0. This is in the form of a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 and is represented as a plus b into a to the power of 2 minus ab plus b to the power of 2. So if we agree on this, our equation becomes x plus 5 into x squared minus 5x plus 25 is all equal to 0. Again, we have two solutions. X plus 5 equals to 0, or x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 25 is equals to 0. Here, x, which is x4, will be equals to minus 5. And this quadratic equation, A is 1, B is minus 5, and C is 25. So that S5 and C's will become minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4xc is over 2a. So if we put our values, this will become minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 25 is all over 2. So the next line becomes equals to plus 5 plus or minus 5 to the power of 2, that is 25, minus 100 all over 2. Again, we arrive at equals to 5 plus or minus square root of minus 75 all over 2. And eventually, x5 will be equals to 5 plus 5i square root of 3 over 2, and x6 is equals to 5 minus 5i square root of 3 over 2. Again, we have two complex solutions and one rich solution. Thank you for staying tuned. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.